Today I'm teaching you and dear John how to talk like a native American speaker using idioms and slang words. Just watch this video and repeat after me. Let's go. I'm so tired. Time to hit the sack.
Hit the sack? What's sack?
Hit the sack means go to bed. Okay? So repeat after me. Hit the sack.
Hit the sack.
Yes. Okay, don't say it like a robot. Say it like a human being, okay? So, repeat after me. Hit the sack.
Hit the sack.
Yes. So, are you tired or what? You tired?
No.
No? Because you drank coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah. I drank coffee as well, but I'm tired. I don't know why. I haven't had sleep last night. I was watching the game.
Oh.
Yeah.
Which game?
Like Real Madrid.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm not a Madrid fan. I hate it, but I just watched it. Yeah. So today, right now, it's time to hit the sack. I'm really sleepy.
Oh.
Oh. Hey John, I know a secret. Should I spill the beans?
Beans? What does mean?
Beans. It means spill the beans means tell the secret.
Tell me.
Okay. Should I tell you?
Yes, tell, please.
Why you're like, hey man, I'm gonna tell you, but you're like scared. You're like, hey, tell me. Is this something bothering you? I don't know if this chair is uncomfortable for you. It's like you're in comfort. I don't know. But yeah, it's about Daniel, my friend. You know Daniel, right? I'm not gonna tell you. Hey, if I tell you, you're gonna get mad at him.
No, tell me.
Yeah?
Please.
Okay. He actually is in a relationship, but he also have another girlfriend. So he has like 2 girlfriends.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Yeah. But I'm gonna tell his girlfriend that. Should I tell her? Should I tell her girlfriend that she has another girlfriend?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna tell her because no, I don't know. Tell
Wow.
me if I just should I tell her or should I not telling her? I don't know. Just tell me in the comments. What should I do? But yeah, that was just a big secret, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm feeling under the weather today.
Under the weather? What?
It means I'm sick.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
so bad.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? I don't know why, but I feel under the weather. So repeat after me, under the weather.
Under the weather.
Yes, when you are going to say, I feel sick, you say, I feel under the weather.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
say it.
Under the weather.
I feel
I feel
under the weather.
under the weather.
Yeah, it is not weather, it is not weather or veter or vesser, no, weather.
Weather.
Yeah, weather, good. So I feel under the weather.
So bad.
Yeah, so bad. Times are tough, but hang in there.
Hanging where?
Hang in there means don't give up.
Oh.
Yeah, don't give up. Repeat after me, hang in there.
Hanging where?
Not where, hang in there.
Hanging there.
Hang
Hang
in
in
there.
there.
Hang in there.
Hanging there.
It's not hanging, hang.
Hang
In
in
there.
there.
Hang in there.
Hanging there.
Hang in there.
Hang in there.
Yeah, stress is on in. So when you're saying it, stress is on in.
In.
Hang in there.
Hang in there.
Yeah, I can say it better. You can practice and you can say it.
Hang in there.
Yeah, better, but after like this class, you can practice in front of the mirror and you can get better.
Hang in there.
Yeah, okay, good.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't like the dentist, but hey, what the hell? I'll bite the bullet.
Sorry, what?
I'll bite the bullet means I face the pain. Yeah, I face the pain. I go through the pain. Like the dentist is like, ouch, but I'm strong. I can face the pain. I'm stronger than you, the dentist. So repeat after me. Bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet.
Not did. The
The
bullet.
bullet.
Bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet.
No. This is a gun, right? I shoot you. There is a bullet comes towards you,
Yes.
right? This is a bullet.
Bullet.
I get the bullet and I bite it. Like I
Oh.
bite the bullet. I face the pain. I'm stronger than pain, so I face the pain. So bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet.
Not did, no, the.
The.
Like T-H-E.
Oh, yes.
The.
The.
Bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet.
And again, at the end, not bowler, bullet.
Bullet. Bite the bullet.
Yeah, bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet.
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 Yeah. You sounds like Russian. You sounds like you're Russian, man. You're not Russian, are you? You're not from Russia.
No.
Okay, so bite the bullet. Say it again.
Bite the bullet.
Yes, bite the bullet. You sounds like Russia. Yo, okay, man, good. And I love the Russian community. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I just noticed some Russian guys, and I love you. In the comments, just tell me if you're Russian. I love you guys. Hey, you know Natalie? My friend Natalie? I see her once in a blue moon.
Blue moon? What's that?
It means very rarely. It means rarely, yeah. Like, not as much as I see you or my other friends, but yeah, I see her once in a blue moon. So repeat after me. Once in a blue moon.
What's the blue moon?
No, once in
Once in
a
a
blue moon.
blue moon.
Yes. Like, what color is the moon? It's silver
Silver, yes.
or yellow.
Yellow
You can
or
say
silver.
it's white or silver, but sometimes the moon is blue. So it is not usual. It is so rare, right?
Oh.
So once in a blue moon means when the moon is blue, I see Natalie. So it's so rare, right?
Yes.
So once in a blue moon.
What? Once the blue moon.
No, once in.
What's in?
Once, just once, twice. Once in
Once in
a blue moon.
a blue moon.
A blue moon.
Blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
Once a blue moon.
No, you should say it correctly, man. You're not gonna get out of here. Once in a blue moon.
Once.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Just hear me and repeat after me, okay?
Yes.
Once in a blue moon.
Once in blue moon.
Yes, better. And you forgot the A. Once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
Yes, now after me, close your eyes. Once in a blue moon.
Once the blue
Once-
a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
Once
In a
in a
blue
blue moon.
moon. Blue moon.
Blue moon.
Once in a blue moon. Okay, you can get it. You can close your eyes. Close your eyes. Once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
Yes, thank you. Get it. Like, good,
Yes.
man. Great. So that's enough for today. Let's call it a day.
Sorry, what?
Let's call it a day. It means it's enough for today. Like, enough. That's enough. Let's go. Stop. Let's stop this
Yeah.
and go home. Let's call it a day.
Call it a day.
Yeah, but let's
Let's
call it a day.
call it a day.
Yes, but I don't see emotions in your face.
Oh.
You should smile or sad or angry or happy. You just have to have emotions in your face, okay?
Okay.
Now be happy and say it. Let's call it a day.
Call it a day.
Where's the let's? Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day.
Yeah, but no. Say it just like me. Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day.
Yes, better. Now with like you're tired, say it. Let's call it a day.
Let's Call it today.
Don't yawn. No, okay, but now angry. Hey, let's call it a day.
Hey, let's call it today.
Okay, good. Hey, she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise.
Cat? What the cat?
She let the cat out of the bag. It means she revealed the secret. It means the secret surprise party that we were throwing for, like Natalie, but she, Amy, revealed it. She let the cat out of the bag. So now Natalie knows the secret. So let the cat out of the bag means reveal the secret. Okay?
Okay.
Now repeat after me. Let the cat out of the bag.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Yes, very good for the first try. Got this, man. Hey, John, it's late. We should hit the road.
Hit the road?
Hit the road, yeah, it means we should leave. We should start our journey. You know what? We're gonna go to the trip and we should start our journey right now. It's late. Yeah, so hit the road means leave, means start our journey, means just go. Like, it's a road, we should hit it. No, not just like hit the road. We should like start the car, like drive and go through the road and just start our journey. So hit the road, say it.
Hit the road.
Yeah, it's hit, but we don't say hit, no.
Hit.
H-I-T, but we don't pronounce it like hit, no. Hit,
Hit.
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 The
The
road.
road.
Hit the road.
Hit the road.
Yeah, yeah. We don't say hit the road. No, we attach all words together to have the better accent. Hit the road.
Hit the road.
Yeah, good. Bump this. Good. Hey, John, I just broke my diet.
What?
I'm just kidding. I'm just pulling your leg.
Pulling my leg?
Pulling your leg, it means I'm joking.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, I didn't break my diet. Yeah, thankfully. Yeah, I started a diet. Now I'm on a diet, so I just try to lose weight. Let's see if I can do that or not. God hopes. So, yeah. So, sorry, repeat after me. Pulling your leg.
Pulling your leg.
Pulling.
Pulling.
It's not pulling, pulling.
Pulling.
Not pulling, no. Pulling.
Pulling.
It's something between O and U, like pulling.
Pulling.
Yeah. Your leg.
Pulling your leg.
Yeah, pulling your leg.
Pulling your leg.
Very good, because I'm joking. Hey, I'm just pulling your leg, man. It's like, yeah, I didn't break my diet. I'm unstoppable, like,
You're strong.
I'm strong, yes. Hey, I need to hit the books tonight.
The books?
Yeah, hit the books. It means study. Yeah, for the exam. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. I hate to study. Huh. Are you? No, just repeat after me. Hit the books.
Hit the books.
Yeah. You can use hit for lots of things. Hit the road, hit the books, like hit the button. You can use hit for like literally everything. Like that you are going to start. For example, you're going to start anything, you can put hit before it and it's good. Like hit me, it means it's not like punch me, no. Hit me means just tell me your opinion, like tell me. Or hit me just playing cards means give me more cards, like hit me.
Hit.
Yeah. You can use hit for lots of things. So hit the books.
Hit the books.
Yeah, just study. Hey, they jumped the gun and it started early.
Sorry, what?
Sorry, jumped the gun means started early. To start something early. It's too soon to start something too soon. Yeah. So repeat after me. Jump the gun.
Jump the gun.
Yes. But now attach them together and say it faster. Jump the gun.
Jump the gun.
Jump the gun.
Jump the gun.
It's gun.
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 See my move? That just my lips don't move. Like gun.
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 Yeah, it comes from. It's not gun. No. Gun.
Gun.
Not gun. No. Gun.
Gun.
Yes, but not gone. No.
Gun.
That's something else. Gun.
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 Yeah, better. Jump the gun.
Jump the gun.
Jump the gun.
Jump the gun.
Better, you can say better. Okay, yeah. So that was all about today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel, because maybe not tomorrow and maybe not today, but someday you're gonna need my channel. And tell me in the comments where you're from. I'm gonna read them all. Yeah. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to be with you. Have a great day or night. Bye.